Hello, my name is Luis Fernandez del Campo and I am a student at RMIT University. My project is based in the community of Barombong, located in the southwest of Indonesia near the city of Makassar. This community of around 100 houses is famous for being a fishing village on the banks of the Jennebereng River and its proximity to the ocean. Through the scope of economy and ecology, I can understand how their economy works, helping me see how the fishing industry works around town. In here, the main source of income are the fish market, the boat workshop, the fishing bait store, a cyber cafe, while some other informal businesses. Through the scope of ecology, I was able to identify flooded areas that appear in the wet season several times in the year. Because of this, their main road gets flooded and becomes unable to cross. Therefore, they use a temporary made-up access to communicate them. At the same time, I was able to notice that the garbage has been affecting the town, since it's been settling along the Barombong coastal line. Due to this, the water on the river now has a high level of toxicity, making it not suitable for drinking. In addition to this, the residents are trying to improve the community by recycling and collecting this garbage in an informal way. The following site area is important due to the high amount of trash in the coastline, as well as the small amount of interventions from the RISE project. Through this section, I was able to identify certain economic and environmental behaviors, such as the accumulation of waste in the coastline to the point where it allows the users to park their boats, as well as how new developments are being developed through town, as we can see in the usage of garbage in the foundation in the right side, and then how soil covers this before the house is built. Through the diagrams, it is possible to understand the way in which ecology and construction behave in the area of interest, allowing us to observe the elements that make up the area, as, as well as the way that the environment works. Both case studies speak of the importance of garbage and recycling. Due to the social and economic impact it can bring to communities, as in the case of Cyberjaya, which helps reduce 1.5 tons of garbage per day, helping residents to improve their quality of life. The second case tells us about the importance of raising awareness of the use of recycled plastics as a construction material, as well as the flexibility that this can have in the industry and their benefits in reducing costs and environmental contamination. The design proposal is based on three principles. The first one shows us the opportunities that this type of typology generates along the river, as well as the process in which it is developed. The second adapts the garbage from the site and reuses it as a construction material. The third is the impact it will have on the environment if garbage is used as a building material. Although there are different ways of land reclamation process, the most common one was selected due to its economic feasibility, which is the earth and burn. The alternative method will be to collect the garbage from the site, then the area to be reclaimed is delimited and filled with stone and soil. Once the river is completed, the foundation begins, where the filling will be the compacted garbage from the site. As an alternative proposal to traditional construction methods, the implementation of a lightened slab, where the lighten is 2-liter plastic bottles, collected from the site or from landfills. Likewise, the implementation of a construction system in walls based on egg carton is proposed, which uses rebar, welded wire mesh, and chicken mesh covered by cement, allowing a low manufacturing cost. Finally, in the foundation, the use of tires and crushed garbages from the site is proposed as fill for the main foundation. This construction method is complemented by the work carried out by the RISE group, which addresses issues of sanitation cycles of spaces through the filtering process and water treatment. In the image of the left, you can see how Barombong is today, as well as the areas that have a high presence of garbage along the river. At the bottom are new developments that could arise, as well as the removal of garbage from the site due to new constructions. If these type of construction methods are considered in the area, a positive impact on the environment could be achieved, since it will be greatly eliminated environmental contamination in the area, in addition to reducing costs, improving the family economy, and community development. Thank you so much.